Hello everyone and welcome back to CBSE Tech Talks. In today's video, we are going to write a program using Python programming language to display the middle digit of a three-digit number. So first of all, we have to check whether the number entered by user is three-digit or not. As we all know that three-digit number starts from 100 and goes till 999. So we need to check if whether the number entered by user is in that range or not. And after checking if condition is true, we will be taking the quotient by dividing the number by 10, and the quotient will be again divided by 10 to get the remainder, and that will be the middle term. Let's see the logic. So first of all, we have to read the number, and as we know, number in Python are taken even in the form of string using the input function. We need to do explicit conversion into int using int function. After that, the number need to be checked. Now you must be wondering, because in other programming language this can't be written. It is Python being very easy language, so you can write straight away like in mathematics we write. So otherwise, if you are using some other programming language, and even if you have some other programming language concept, so you will be writing in that case number is greater than equals to 100, and in the same line number is less than equals to 999. So this is the complete query, because both the conditions need to be satisfied, then only the number will be of three-digit number. But in Python it's very flexible, so we are checking 100 less than equals to num less than equals to 99. So this is going to check the range of three-digit number. After this, two statements are merged here. So first of all, the innermost, or you can say the part of the expression which is in the parenthesis, will be calculated. So number will be divided by 100, and we are taking the floor quotient, and once we will be taking floor quotient that will be of two-digit, now will be put with the modulus of 10 so that we will get remainder. Let me take an example, 125. So if you will take 125 slash 10, you are going to get 12. Now from 12, what we have to do, we have to take the modulus by 10. It means 12 will be divided by 10 and the remainder will be taken, so that is 2. So that's what our requirement also. We want this number middle term, and middle term has come with this. So two statements are there. One is first the floor, you can say division by 10, and then the modulus by 10, and then it is going to give the middle digit. Else, if the number entered by user is not in this range, so output will be not a three-digit number. So number may be a two-digit, or it may be, you can say, more than two-digit, or it may be less than two-digit. Let's try this coding. Click on run. I have copied the same. Let me copy even the comment statement which we generally write, and it is non-executable statement, so it is not going to affect at all on the program. Enter a number. We will be trying with all the possible inputs. So first I'm trying with 125. So we are getting number, middle digit as 2. Let's try with some other number, maybe less than or maybe greater than. So it should give us in both the cases. Run. If I write only 12, not a three-digit number. Okay, it is less than 3, so it is giving. Let's try for even 4-digit also, or 5-digit, more than 3-digit number. Okay, let's try. So it is going with even less as well as with the more, and when you have entered 3, it is giving you right answer. Now I would like you to modify the program to find out first and third digit of a number with the same way. And as you see, the program is basically helping you to find out the check condition as well as the arithmetic operators. I would like you to subscribe this channel so that you can get tutorials on the basis of topics covered. Like at the moment we are going with the flow of control. Thank you for watching. Take care and keep coding.